Hello, I am Aditya Sreeprasad of grade 6. In this video, I am going to show how to balance two forks using a toothpick. Materials required are glass cup with wide circular opening, two forks of exact same size and weight, and one toothpick. Method: interweave the two forks as shown in the figure. Insert the toothpick in between the fork teeth. Find the center of gravity of the two forks. Balance the other end of the toothpick at the tip of your finger. Place this arrangement carefully at the edge of the glass. Now we can see that the toothpick is balancing the weight of both the forks. Science behind the act. The key concept here is the idea of the center of mass of a system, which is basically the point at which you consider all the mass to be concentrated. The point at which the weight of the two forks are concentrated is transferred through the toothpick to the side of the glass. That is, the center of gravity of the forks are now at the glass tip where the end of the toothpick is. Center of gravity is a point at which you can balance an object. The center of mass is the point where all mass of an object is concentrated. When center of gravity and center of mass are same, then the object is in equilibrium. In this case, the center of mass of two forks is transferred through the toothpick to the edge of glass and it matches with the center of gravity of all objects as a single piece.